Okay, so you're probably anxious to see the code, and so I can give you a link here. Now, I'm afraid I can't give you a clickable link. I've only just joined YouTube, and they won't let me use that feature until I've got some um, subscribers. But if you type that into a browser bar, that should get you there, and the specific article is that one. Hopefully that's not too much effort for people to type in. And so what you should see there is you should see this. And so there's the code, the HTML, and then there's the VBA, and then there's the C Sharp. So that's the code. There's tons of there's absolutely tons of blog postings here, and then nearly all of them is a program listing. So there's tons of programs here, absolutely tons. So do feel free to have a wander around. So either you can explore the blog via the dates, or one thing you can do is go hash blog search one, it takes you to a search blog bar. So what should we say? We say JSON, and so you get a whole load of articles on JSON, and you got the keywords down the side here. So, but there's just tons and tons. So do please enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching.